Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best iPhone 12 Pro Max Lens Kit is probably one of the most exciting accessories for mobile photographers and videographers, offering a significant upgrade to your device's built-in camera capabilities and allowing you to capture stunning, professional-quality shots with unparalleled versatility, from breathtaking wide-angle landscapes to intricate macro details, all from the palm of your hand. Number 5. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. This lens kit is designed to work with virtually all smartphones, tablets, and laptops, ensuring you can capture amazing shots no matter your device. Expand your field of view by 45% with the wide-angle lens. It's perfect for landscapes, group photos, and selfies, delivering stunning images without dark corners. Get incredibly close to your subjects with the macro lens. It reveals breathtaking detail for super close-up photos, perfect for exploring the tiny world around you. The included LED light provides perfect illumination for any scene. With 3 brightness settings, it ensures your photos are well lit and vibrant, even in low light. Take your creativity anywhere with the included travel case and lanyard. Everything stays protected and easily accessible, so you're always ready to capture the moment. What we like. This kit offers incredible versatility, working with virtually any smartphone. It even includes a rechargeable LED light for perfect illumination. If you're looking for a comprehensive lens solution that doesn't limit your device choices, this is the one. What people say. This lens kit allows you to take wide-angle photos without sacrificing image quality compared to the standard 0.5x camera. It's extremely easy to use, attaching the lenses to the camera is quick and secure, and you can easily take wide-angle shots or close-up macro photos of small details. The quality is worth the money. The light is super bright on the 3rd setting. And the focus on these lenses are very accurate, scary accurate. LOL, it's so detailed that I can see my fingerprints in such detail that I never seen before. The color accuracy is on point. With the macro lens, you have to hold your phone incredibly close to the object you are trying to photograph, which can be a bit tedious if it's a moving object, like a bee, bug, etc. But the details are incredible when done patiently. Number 4. DJI OM 4 Gimbal Stabilizer. Experience the convenience of instant attachment. Our magnetic phone clamp and ring holder let you capture moments effortlessly whenever inspiration strikes. Say goodbye to shaky footage. Its powerful 3-axis motor ensures your smartphone stays steady, delivering incredibly smooth videos, even with external lenses. Unlock creative possibilities with innovative features like dynamic zoom. Achieve a Hollywood feel with minimal effort, including the captivating Hitchcock effect. Taking selfies or group photos is now simpler than ever. Gesture control allows you to start snapping pictures or recording videos with ease. Tracking subjects is a breeze with this upgraded version. It accurately recognizes adults, children, and pets, allowing you to fine-tune your shots with the joystick. Conveniently switch between portrait and landscape modes with a simple double press of the M button. Get the perfect orientation for any shot. What we like. Experience buttery smooth footage with its advanced 3-axis stabilization. The magnetic attachment makes setup a breeze, and ActiveTrack 3.0 keeps your subject perfectly in frame. If you're a vlogger or content creator who prioritizes stable, professional-looking video, this is your go-to. What people say. The lens kit is a great addition to my iPhone 12 Pro Max, enhancing its camera capability significantly. I was impressed by the build quality of the lenses. They feel sturdy and well-made, fitting perfectly onto the phone. The clarity of the images produced with this kit is remarkable, especially with the telephoto lens, which offers excellent zoom without losing detail. Number 3. Godefa 14-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. Discover the Godefa 14-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit, a versatile accessory designed to elevate your mobile photography. This kit is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including iPhones and Android devices. Explore a world of creative options with 14 unique lenses, including wide-angle, macro, fisheye, and kaleidoscope lenses. Each lens offers a distinct effect to enhance your shots. Experience superior image quality thanks to finely processed glass lenses. They ensure sharp, clear photos with minimal distortion and vignetting for professional-looking results. From breathtaking landscapes with the wide-angle lens to intricate close-ups with the macro lens, and powerful zoom with the telephoto lens, capture it all with stunning clarity. Experiment with unique effects like the starburst lens for dramatic flares and the radial filter for captivating visual styles. The included CPL filter helps reduce unwanted reflections. Perfect your selfies with the included selfie ring light, featuring 7 adjustable brightness levels. Ensure you always look your best, day or night. Its portable and removable clip-on design makes it easy to attach to almost any smartphone. Simply clip it on and start capturing incredible photos. What we like. This kit is an absolute powerhouse, packing 14 different lenses and filters into one package. From wide-angle to fisheye, and even specialized filters, it offers endless creative possibilities. If you love experimenting with different photographic styles and want maximum creative control from a single kit, this is for you. What people say. The set includes a wide-angle, macro, telephoto, fisheye, fun effects, and filters, so there's a lens for every shot without carrying extra gear. Image quality is solid for a mobile add-on, the macro is especially impressive for close details, and the included selfie light is a handy bonus. It's got more lens options than most other sets you'll find at a comparable price. The hard shell case is also quite nice and gives me peace of mind that should somebody drop it or it get stepped on or something, nothing inside will be completely damaged beyond repair. The telephoto lens in this set displays severe pincushion distortion on both an iPhone 6s and an iPhone XS, making it unusable for our streams. For fun, I tried the fisheye lens on the XS. The images have a severe yellow cast and the image is not quite a complete circle. All that said, I'm keeping this lens set. It's inexpensive, and while it's not suitable for what I needed it for, the images are very fun. The lenses in my set are clean and appear to be well made. Image quality aside, the clip works well, the tiny macro light is cute, and the case is small but satisfying. Number 2. SIBEITU Screen Protector for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Introducing a complete protection solution designed specifically for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. This pack includes screen and camera lens protectors for comprehensive defense. Experience your screen in stunning HD clarity with over 99.99% optical grade transparency. It maintains the original touch sensitivity for smooth typing and gaming. With 9H hardness, these protectors are built to withstand scratches and impacts, keeping your device looking pristine. The rounded edges ensure a perfect fit and feel. Our camera lens protector features an upgraded black night circle design. It ensures your night shots are clear and vibrant without flash interference. Installation is a breeze with the included cleaning kit. You can easily apply it without worrying about air bubbles or leaving residue behind. Enjoy your daily activities, whether indoors or outdoors, with the confidence that your iPhone is protected from damage. What we like. This product focuses on safeguarding your device. It provides both screen and camera protection with robust 9H hardness, ensuring durability against scratches and impacts. If your priority is protecting your iPhone 12 Pro Max from everyday wear and tear, this is an essential addition. What people say. The camera lens protector is a bonus. Exceptional ties. Excellent case and protection for my screen and camera. Number 1. 3PCS OEM Original Rear Camera Glass Lens for iPhone 15 Pro 6.1 inches. This is a set of 3 original OEM replacement camera glass lenses. They are designed for a perfect fit on your device. We've included a high-quality repair tool kit in the package. These tools will be very helpful during the replacement process. If your rear camera glass lens has scratches or is damaged, this replacement part can fix it. It will help your phone function well again. This camera glass lens is compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro 6.1 inches model. Please ensure it is the correct model before purchasing. Installation is straightforward, and an instruction manual is included. For first-time users, we recommend watching online tutorials for assistance. Please be careful when replacing the damaged rear camera glass lens. Ensure you handle the broken glass pieces properly. What we like. This is a direct replacement for your damaged camera lens. It's an OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and maintaining original quality. If you've cracked or scratched your iPhone 15 Pro's rear camera glass, this kit with included tools is the perfect solution for a seamless repair. What people say. There were clear instructions for how to use it and remove all the broken pieces of my camera. Very easy to then glue on the new screen and it fit perfectly. The supplied tools were of excellent quality, the glass itself appeared to be top quality. Took me maybe 15 minutes start to finish and was relatively easy. I was worried about the replacement lens falling off, but I replaced the lens a few days ago and the adhesive seems to be holding just fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.